Most people dread the first strip of wax on their skin. But what if the secret to a painless appointment isn't the wax? What if sound transforms your experience instead? Today, we reveal how acoustic soundscapes can change everything. Fear turns into calm before any touch is even felt. Our brains are wired for threats and stress. A Brazilian wax can trigger anxiety in many. Cortisol surges, muscles tighten, and pain looms large. Interestingly, our brains respond not only to touch, but also to sound. Acoustic patterns can calm anxiety signals before they reach the body. We use 3D spatial microphones to capture waxing sounds. These sounds turn into rhythmic, predictable patterns. Soft friction and subtle whispers engage your nervous system. This auditory experience reduces stress before it takes hold. What feels like relaxation is engineered acoustic soundscapes. Now, let's align sound with touch for the ultimate experience. Every motion is paired with binaural triggers and soothing sounds. We neutralize harsh clinical noises typical in salons. Cortisol levels drop as you relax into the rhythm. The process can feel almost meditative and serene. Traditional salons may feel sterile and stressful. Acoustic mapping transforms them into relaxing sanctuaries. Focusing on sound textures eases perceived pain. Over time, this shifts your view of self-care. Intimate care becomes empowering rather than anxiety-inducing. Looking ahead, by 2030, ASMR might become standard in salons. Expect acoustic soundscapes to revolutionize high-anxiety procedures. Seek practitioners who understand this transformative experience. Remember the secret. It's the sound, not just the wax. With the right environment, fear evaporates and self-care blooms. Next time you book a Brazilian wax, remember, it's not about just the wax. Surround yourself with calming sounds and enjoy the tranquility. Subscribe for more science-backed wellness tips. Share this video with friends seeking serenity over stress. Calm, restore, repeat.